Gdansk, a historic city nestled on the Baltic coast of Poland, is a captivating destination that combines a rich maritime heritage, architectural beauty, and a vibrant cultural scene. As a key port city along the Amber Route and a hub of Hanseatic League trade, Gdansk boasts a fascinating history that is reflected in its charming old town, historic sites, and bustling waterfront. The captivating old town of Gdansk, characterized by its colorful facades, cobblestone streets, and Gothic and Renaissance architecture, transports visitors back in time. The iconic Long Market, flanked by ornate merchant houses, leads to the majestic Neptune Fountain and the Grand Green Gate. St. Mary's Basilica, an awe-inspiring Gothic church, offers panoramic views of the city from its observation tower, while the medieval Gdansk crane is a reminder of the city's maritime past. The Solidarity movement, a pivotal force in Poland's fight for democracy, was born in Gdansk. The European Solidarity Center commemorates this historic movement, offering exhibitions, artifacts, and immersive experiences that shed light on the struggle for freedom and human rights. Gdansk's maritime significance is celebrated at the National Maritime Museum, where historic ships, navigational instruments, and maritime artifacts offer insights into the city's seafaring legacy. The Westerplatte Peninsula, known for the Battle of Westerplatte that marked the beginning of World War II, features a memorial and museum dedicated to the event. The city's vibrant cultural scene is highlighted by galleries, theaters, and music venues. The Shakespeare Theatre, a modern architectural masterpiece, hosts performances and cultural events. The European Center of Solidarity and Gdansk Shakespeare Festival are just a few examples of the city's commitment to cultural exchange and artistic expression. Gdansk's culinary scene offers a taste of Baltic flavors and international cuisines. Local restaurants and eateries serve traditional Polish dishes, fresh seafood, and regional specialties. The city's waterfront cafes provide an ideal setting to enjoy a meal while soaking in views of the bustling harbor. Gdansk's location along the Baltic coast makes it a popular summer destination. The sandy beaches of nearby Sopot and the tranquil shores of Gdynia offer opportunities for relaxation and water activities. The Tri-City area, which includes Gdansk, Sopot, and Gdynia, provides a comprehensive range of attractions and experiences. Whether you're wandering through historic streets, immersing yourself in cultural experiences, exploring maritime history, enjoying coastal views, or simply embracing the city's dynamic and welcoming atmosphere, Gdansk offers an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Poland's history, creativity, and maritime charm, leaving an indelible mark on all who venture into its captivating embrace.